Hello everyone, in this video I, Satak Agrawal, is going to tell you how to set up the development environment of OpenMRS. So, to set up the development environment for OpenMRS, you need around 6 to 7 things like Java, Tomcat, MySQL, and Apache Maven, OpenMRS ID, Git, OpenMRS SDK. So to set up this to set up the environment, developer environment, so you just go to your browser and write JDK, and you will be directed to this Java official website. So Java is used for deploying Java applications on desktops. So to download this, go to the download tab and you are gonna see the Java platform. So you click on this download, and here there are development kits, and the latest version is 8. So you take any of the kit for your according to your operating system. For Linux you can take this, for Mac this, and for Windows this, according to your processor. So downloading it, you just have to accept the license agreement and click on the link you want to download, and then after you have downloaded the Java, to see that it is downloaded, you click on this terminal and write Java version. Well, I have Java version 1.8. I just checked it before, but to show you, well, here it is Java version 1.8.211. So next thing we need is Apache Maven. So to install the Apache Maven, you go to the Apache Maven www.https maven.apache.org downloads, and you will be directed to this page. And Apache Maven, to download it, you need JDK, which we just installed. So here is the link. You can you have to use this zip archive to install, and so you just click on the link and you download everything. So now that after you have downloaded it, you want to see that it is in your computer or not, write on the terminal mvn -version. So I have 3.3.9, which is the latest. If you don't have the similar output, that means you didn't install it. Now the third thing is MySQL. So MySQL, well, this MySQL, to download this MySQL, you go to the downloads tab and scroll down, and you will get this community edition, which is free. So you click on the community edition and you download it. After you have downloaded it, go to your terminal and write MySQL, put 2 minus signs and write version. Well, you got this. I've got 14.14 MySQL version, which is the latest of all. So now the fourth thing is Apache Tomcat. Well, it helps us it is developed by an open and participatory environment, and it is intended to be a collaboration of developers. Well, it powers numerous large-scale mission-critical web applications. So if you want to download it, you just go to its official website, and here go to Tomcat 8 and you just use this any tar.gz or zip file and you will just it will be downloaded. So and the next thing is we need git. Well, what is git used for? Well, the git is used for our GitHub is used to build personal projects and support the businesses and work together like open source technologies. So you can just sign in or sign up for the git to have git. And open source also uses git, like here the OpenMRS core which is on git only. So if you want to install this or clone, you go to OpenMRS core and click on clone or download. I actually have the OpenMRS core in my computer. So here we can OpenMRS also uses this GitHub. So now the next thing we need is OpenMRS ID. Well, you must be thinking, why do we need an ID? Well, because OpenMRS ID, it can be used to communicate with other mentors or open or people. Like for example, you can use OpenMRS Wiki, you can use OpenMRS Talk to communicate with each other. And to see the wiki, you go to this wiki, and actually you have to personally ask or create a case to actually get the permission to use wiki. Actually there are many users, so it is a bit difficult for them to manage that. So OpenMRS, in this OpenMRS wiki, we can even ask a question on this. OpenMRS Talk is also a good thing. So this OpenMRS Talk, well, here is the page of OpenMRS Talk. There are many badges in this OpenMRS Talk. I actually have editor badge and like badge, that one. So we can communicate with each other on this OpenMRS Talk. For example, I click on this and here the reply option, I can reply to them and even change the font and everything. So and like you can always also take issues or claim an issue for anything. Like for this, I click on this and it will ask us to the issue and tell the description of issue. Well, we can also claim the issue and comments there are who are doing this issue. So the next thing we need is OpenMRS SDK. Well, it helps to SDK stands for Software Development Kit and it helps for rapid development of modules. So to install this OpenMRS SDK, you write OpenMRS SDK on Google and go to the OpenMRS SDK documentation. And to install this, you have to write on the terminal these codes for Windows and this is for Mac, and here it is for JDK which we already installed, and here Maven which we have installed. Okay, so for setting up you can use these codes and you should get these outputs which will tell you that you have successfully installed the OpenMRS SDK. So thank you everyone and see ya.